In the fast-paced world of pharmaceuticals, precision and purity are everything. But behind the scenes, energy-intensive processes can lead to harmful air pollution. Particulate matter, fine dust, and carbon-rich emissions pose a growing challenge, not just to the environment but to public health. This leading pharmaceutical company was facing rising pollution levels due to inefficient emission control systems. The result? Visible smoke, regulatory pressures, and an unsustainable carbon footprint. That's where Steamax EnviroCare stepped in. Our team installed a high-efficiency bag filter system, a powerful air pollution control device that captures over 99% of particulate emissions from industrial processes. The bag filter works by filtering polluted air through fine fabric filters. The clean air is released into the atmosphere, while the dust is collected and disposed of safely. The result? Drastic reduction in visible smoke, lower carbon emissions, and compliance with stringent pollution norms. Thanks to Steamax, this pharma facility is now operating cleaner, safer, and greener, proving that industrial growth and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. With a deep commitment to sustainability and innovation, Steamax EnviroCare has helped hundreds of companies across India adopt eco-friendly energy and emission solutions. Join the clean energy revolution. Switch to smarter emission control with Steamax bag filters because the air we breathe matters. Steamax EnviroCare, your partner in pollution control and green energy.